Hello and greetings to you all. My name is embark, the owner and manager of Datacrafters. We are a tech and IT business dedicated to assisting individuals who would want to transition or pivot their careers into the tech industry. We specialize in teaching people everything that has to do with data analysis. As the world increasingly accepts technology, we are here to facilitate your career shift by giving you adequate support and guidance. I'm glad to announce that I'm going to be hosting a free introductory class on data analysis this Saturday. That's the 26th of this month. Venue is going to be, it's actually a virtual class which is going to be on Zoom. So for those of you who would want to be a part of this class, I would advise that you download the app and set up your account so that on that day you will just be ready to go. Time, the class starts by 12 o'clock and duration is from 30 to 1 hour max. Also, the class applies to those who are based here in Abuja. And during the class, I'm just going to using what data analysis is, the job of a data analyst, the importance of becoming a data analyst, and why it is considered one of the best IT jobs around the world. And during the class, you are free to ask me questions. So I would advise you to also, to just set up your questions so you'd be ready before then. And the paid classes actually starts on the 4th of next month. Yes. So I would advise that those who want to be a part of this paid class to pay earlier before then, because it attracts a 10% discount for early enrollment. So that's basically it. And I look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Do have a pleasant day.